Yo, what's happening? What it do, my people? It's your boy ChanceJolivette, aka Smooth, back with another video today. So it's Friday, TGIF. And so today, what I'm gonna do, I really don't have any videos to do today or anything. Like yesterday I did like a little something, had the weekend music review or something. Check out the page, the channel, check that out. So I want to drop a video today. So what I'm gonna do, I got these clothes in, so I'm gonna do this clothing haul. I do this every blue moon, and so since I got these in my possession, I will show these. And the way I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna show you a piece, and then in a B-roll or something, I'll probably show like how it fits or something like that. So if you want to see how it fits or whatever, just watch the video, just look at the B-roll or whatever. So I'm gonna start off this. I already unboxed, unpackaged this right here. And put this shit on silent, but you won't be hearing bling, 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 bling. So that's silent now. Okay, so this first piece, I got this off of eBay. So this is Jordan engineered. I don't know, I'm just a Jordan engineered fan. Like, I love that whole line up in the Jordan apparel line. Like, I have a few pair of pants. I think, I got some joggers, I got a hoodie, and stuff. I got a few pieces. So this right here, I got this in usually the way I get these. I got a few for retail, I think, or on sale, but I check online, like Mercari and eBay and stuff, and I found this one online on eBay, and I think I paid like $30 for this. And so this is a medium. Usually I wear a small. I think I'm gonna start getting like more mediums in, like, at least for now, for winter time, like as far as sweatshirts and stuff like that. I kind of want something a little bigger, like to feel like I'm a little more snug or whatever. Get a little more material. But I like this, man. Got the engineered shit. They got a little zipper and stuff on the side, so that's a nice aesthetic to it. It makes it look kind of like a bomber jacket or something. It has a hood in the front, and this right here, I'm not gonna front. It wasn't brand new. It's like somebody wore it, so I'm gonna wash this. I'm gonna wash this and stuff. But has that engineered, that 23 engineered stuff on the side. Like, I'm not ashamed to thrift something or whatever. But that's why she was cheap. Shit, they got like a little like patch. Look like, oh well. But that's that right there. So just checking this out. Most of the time I'm probably gonna have a jacket on top of this, maybe. Or even I'll wear this casual. But anyway, so that's the first one right there. And now we get into this. This is H&M right here. Pull up on that chair. I look very old right there. But so let's get to the next package. So H&M, I really like H&M, man. And so the more you shop on H&M, you get your points and stuff like that. Like, I don't know what the rewards are or whatever. I'm trying to build up. Well, not necessarily build up, because I just like their stuff. So I go in H&M. If I go in the mall or something, I walk in H&M. Like, if they notify me of a sale, I look and see, or if I think about a certain clothing item or something, I look for it on H&M. Like, it's their stuff. This stuff is very stylish, and it be cheap compared to a lot of stuff, man. Like, if you want a flannel or some joggers or like some kind of like shirt jacket or something, it usually be cheap on H&M. They got stuff like Boohoo Man and stuff like that, but that stuff be coming from overseas. It take a minute. H&M, I ain't gonna lie, they ship it not the fastest, but it's coming from the States. So I like that about it. And they also have the store so you can walk in. So this is the first item right here. I don't know if I'm gonna put these on. I don't think you need to see the socks on. But I just got these because they were like $1.99. Let me take it out of the plastic. I really don't feel like taking out the plastic either. Feeling lazy. But the reason why I got these, I was trying to get the order like over $40. I think over $40 it was free shipping. So I was just adding like a little small stuff. And so, got these socks. It has like a bandana looking design. And the reason why I got this is because I do have the cool grays, and I think this would look dope with the cool gray tennis shoes and stuff, sneakers. So got this for the cool grays. I'm kind of like on my socks, my sock kicks, man. I like getting different socks. Let me see. So I also got a hat, got a little beanie. So I'm getting on my little beanie game. I had a lot, and then they had a moment like in this year. I was out of the crib or something. A lot of them in storage, and they look like they got messed up or something. Like, I don't know. It looked like a mouse might have been in that box, so I threw all of them away. So I wasn't keeping those because they had like some mouse droppings in the box or whatever. I was like, nah, I'm not putting that on my head. So I threw all my beanies away. So I've been stacking them up little by little. And so this was cheap. This was like maybe $4 and something. But I love this color. Love this color right here, man. That earth tone. You can match this with a lot of things right there. And like this. With me, I've kind of been on my early game. Like, I've been trying to be like what's my dog name? He gonna be playing Blade. He gonna be playing Blade soon. Wait, you know what I'm talking about. But so that is the second item. These right here, this is some stuff I'm really interested in. Let me put these to the side. Let me get with these pants right here. A color I've never liked too much, but now I'm starting to like it. I don't know. I think last year I was really on my pink kick. I was buying a lot of pink, like pink. This year I think, man, I'm loving green, like either dark green, olive green. I'm just loving greens right now, and I'm like, man, I don't really have any green pants and stuff like that. So I got. I love this design too, like where this just type of short. I have a lot of these shorts, man. And I just think these are just these dope. The way they look on body, these are fly to me. So got these I don't know what the name of them are. Okay, so I had to investigate. I had to look this up. Some sweat shorts. So that is I guess the technical name for them. I love this color. I can see myself rocking these, man, putting different things together. I do have them Billie Eilish 15s. I love the way how they look with like olive green and stuff like that. So show you what these look like on body or whatever. B-roll I might have showed you already. But item number, this is number 3. So move on. What we're gonna get into? Gonna get into this right here. This is why I actually got on here. Shout out to 202 Wink Productions or something. Like, it's a female. She does YouTube videos and stuff. Follow on IG, and I seen she did post some cargos from H&M, and they were fly. I like the way they look, so I went on H&M, and so I found some as well. Like, I found some that were kind of on sale. And why I got these right here in particular, like, I like the way these things look. They look long as shit. Like, they are they're small. They're small. They look long than a motherfucker. But I like that. Coupe standard, stretch, regular fit, stretch. But the reason why I got these right here, because they do have that right there. So I love my stuff to be kind of tapered, and whenever you do have this, you can give it kind of that tapered type of look. They have this on a lot of the Jordan Engineer pants, so that's why I like the Jordan Engineer pants as well. So you can taper that down. So that's why I like these pants right there. So I think that's gonna be a great aesthetic with it, and also this gray also can go with the cool grays. And just gray in general, you can wear a lot of things with gray. Gray goes with a lot of stuff. And so lastly, it's the kind of the same thing that I I showed already. You see that? And I had the olive green or whatever sweat shorts. Now this right here is pretty much the same color. This isn't the same material. This is kind of like a nylon, but this is a jogger. But it is that same color. Got the little drawstrings and stuff. This right here is small. Relaxed fit, stretch, elastic waist. You see that? What I thought was dope about these, what made these stand out right here, is because they have this at the bottom. I like that. I don't have any pants like that, but I think that's dope. Like just another thing as far as like being able to taper it down at the bottom. So I love that tapered look at the bottom. That is, if you got that tapered look at the bottom, as far as like a jean or jogger or something, you got me. And you can customize this look. So if you want it to be looser, like you can let this out. If you want it to be tighter, you can tighten it up. So I love the customability of this item. The color, I love that color. So man, that is the load. And I paid like $40 for that, like 41, 42, I think like 43 after taxes and stuff for 5 items. Got the socks, the beanie, shorts, and 2 pair of pants. I don't think that's too bad. I think it was like maybe $100 maybe, and they show you like how much you save, and I think I saved like maybe $60 or something like that. So that is that. Let me see, they might show it on here. They might show the dollar amount. No, they do not. But yeah. Gotta watch the Jordan thing. Gotta watch the Jordan thing and stuff. But yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest of the most hated man. I just want to put something out here today just to feed my subscribers. I'm like maybe 1 or 2, 3 subscribers away from 7,000, so thank you in advance if you watch this whole video. Probably not, but yeah, appreciate you watching the video. Appreciate y'all staying tuned to the channel. I think maybe Power is coming out this weekend, coming back, so I'm gonna be doing my Power videos again. I gotta do a style video for those Animal Instinct 11s, so I'm gonna try to be busy, man. Try to stay in the lab. Try to keep cranking out some content for y'all. Let me know if there's anything that y'all want to see. Don't be talking about any expensive shoes or anything, unless y'all gonna send them to me for free, cause I ain't got it. But yeah, peace.